Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In our channel we will put many videos like trolls, news, politics and tech. If you like our channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon and turn on into all. Now we going to see the mobiles under 20,000. Mobile name realme. It is a super AMOLED display. It is running on OS Android 11 realme UI 2.0. It is a MediaTek Helio G95. Camera specification. It is a quad camera. 64 MP main camera, 8 MP ultra-wide range, 2 MP macro, 2 MP depth with LED flashlight, HDR and panorama, video quality, 4K at 30 FPS, 1080 at 30, 60, and 120 FPS, single selfie camera at 16 MP wide, sound effects 3.5 jack, 24-bit 192, kHz audio, battery capacity LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable, charging type, 30 watts fast charging. Weight, 177 grams. SIM, dual SIM support. Colors available, Cyber Black and Cyber Silver. Indian price announced, 15,999. If you like this video, share, like and comment.